So the dinger went off. Ooh, I can smell that delicious cookie aroma. And sure enough, they're perfect. They're golden brown. They're not going to be burned. I'm going to set them right here. Now what you want to do is take some powdered sugar and put it in a bowl. And just a generous amount. You don't have to measure it out. Don't fill it completely to the top, because what we're going to do is we're going to take these hot cookies and roll them in the bowl. And let's see how hot they are. Oh, I can just barely lift them. So you take your spoon and you just press the powdered sugar all over. But the cookies need to be hot or warm to do this, because that's what makes the powdered sugar stick, because the powdered sugar kind of melts a little bit to the cookie. So you want to make these look like almost snowballs. Okay, and then you put them on a plate. So you're going to do that with the entire tray. You're going to lift up the cookie off the tray. It's hot. Just quickly get it over there, or you could use a spatula, and then use your spoon as your tool to really cover those cookies in powdered sugar, and then put them over. Once they cool down, you can dust them again with powdered sugar. Sometimes I just sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar over the plate of cookies, and it gives them a second coating of powdered sugar, which is always delicious, because we didn't put a lot of sugar in the cookies, and this sugar on the outside is really important to the taste of the cookies. So you're going to do that entire tray. You're going to use up all your dough, cook all your cookies, and everyone is going to absolutely love these at your office party. Also, if you make an extra batch of these keep really well. They'll keep for a couple of weeks. They make excellent Christmas presents. So if you want to bribe your boss, bring him or her a box of these cookies, and you're sure to get that Christmas bonus.